want to take this opportunity to say I'm so proud of Sabrina. Didn't you do awesome on the show, guys? You know, I don't care how much hip-hop you have, how much jazz. It's completely different when you put on a pair of D's for the first time.
Yeah, and as you guys saw on the show, my feet were always turned in, so thank you for helping me out. You guys, I don't know if everyone knows or not, but Mark was actually injured on the last show, and he is back in recovery. Please give it up for him, because he's doing it for me.
I didn't want to miss seeing how you did Las Vegas in Las Vegas.
So we wanted to thank you guys so much, because you actually helped us win an award. It was the 2007 most shocking elimination, I guess, that happened all year. So thank you guys. It was all for you.
We just want to say a big thank you for your support. The whole season, you guys were so great. We love you so much. Thank you for everything.
And we have some special people in the audience. Both of our parents are here. So Mom and Dad, thank you guys so much.
Dad, I love you wherever you are.
Thank you, Corky.